sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. My loves, I cannot wait to show you guys these jumbo Afro Kinky twists. Stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get these done. My subscriber of the week goes to, and I thank you. All right, let's get started, my sweethearts. My hair is washed, conditioned, and blow dried. I started sectioning them off, and we're going to start with our Shine and Gem. All of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. You guys, if you can look through my scalp, I have greased the heck out of my scalp. Make sure you're greasing and oiling your scalp up, especially when you're going to put your hair up into any twist or braids, or if you're going to lock it in with rubber bands or anything like that. When using rubber bands, you make sure you would like to oil them up and let them sit for a couple minutes before using them, because you do not want your hair to break off while you're taking them out. You guys, I ain't even gonna lie, I'm in love with this coconut oil. I have been putting it in and the results are showing. You guys, don't forget to take a look down below. I'll be using black control around my edges. I like to use black control ahead of time before I even start my edges, because I know I'm going to be using it throughout this hairstyle. Even though these rubber bands are going to be loosened, just still, regardless, do not make these rubber bands too tight around your edges. You should love and cherish and adore your edges. Believe me, you're going to thank me in the long run. Okay, now that my hair is all sectioned off, I'm going to be using expressions. I'm going to be using a water wave fro twist, 22 inches times 2, and then I'm going to be using some springy Afro twist. Both, one is in 1B, and then the other is in dragon fruit. You guys, this is what's making them jumbo. I'm going to be using one of each for each section. When you're putting the needle under, make sure you put it underneath the rubber band. Then you're going to crochet, pull the hair through the loop and pull it underneath the rubber band. You're going to pull one side underneath, and we're going to do that with the other hair. Now the rubber band is loose now, so we're going to grab our natural hair and we're going to pull that together to make the rubber band tighter. We're going to add our jam to our natural hair, and we're going to separate them onto both sides. Once separated, we're just going to twist, and then we're going to twist. You don't have to twist in the right way. There's no right way to twist. You don't have to twist left. You don't have to twist right. You just twist to what makes it comfortable for you. I also recommend those clamps because they stop your hair from pulling as you're twisting your hair. Make sure you're separating the hair at the bottom so the hair can come together neatly. And that is how you jumbo twist, my sweethearts. All right, I'm gonna get to work and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, we are at the last one, you guys. Remember, not too tight. These are your edges, and you're just going to keep continually twisting down. Twist down. You can twist a little tight, but not too tight. Don't forget your clamps, because we do not want to pull our hair out as we're twisting. You guys, it does not take long at all. The reason this didn't take that long at all is because we prepped our hair. Once you prep, meaning boxing up and oiling up, all you have to do is start crocheting the hair in and twisting down. That is it, you guys. 2 hours max. Okay, loves, it was kind of late when I did my hair, so guess what? This is our nightly routine. We're going to put our scarf on for our edges, and we're going to put our bonnet on top of that to keep it nice and neat while we sleep. Don't forget your scalp oil, okay? Just to loosen it up. If it's a little too tight, this oil will help that. Has like a peppermint feel, and it'll be great for braids or twist. Sweethearts, don't forget your lovely edges. Use that black control that I have in the description box below. I put this scarf on just to add on some last minute touches, get dressed, do your eyelashes, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. And these are the final results, my loves. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm enjoying these jumbo, afro, kinky twists. Don't forget to like, comment, share, most definitely subscribe. I love you, even if I don't know you. I'll see you guys next time.